What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games. Currently, we're sitting at 0.045, up 3% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 312 million, 24-hour volume all the way down to 144 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit, grab up to 8K in bonuses. This is the exchange where I do the majority of my trading, or Bybit. Up to 30K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into the charts. So Gala Games has come down to our wave 3 target. We've been watching for this breakdown here, and we came right down to our wave 3 target. So we do have bullish divergence, money flowing in, cross the 50 line, RSI divergence, cross the 50 line. So we may see a nice push up into this target zone for a wave 4 pullback. Actually, I can pull that down a little bit in between about 0.045 and 0.049, but I wouldn't be surprised to see it push up to at least the 38.2% fib level before coming down in a wave 5 to complete the 3, put in a 4, put in a 5 of a potential wave A, in my opinion, put in a wave B pullback and come down in a final wave C of the wave 2 to take you down to 0.021 and 0.032. Now, if we look at the daily time frame, I told you guys in previous videos and in the Discord that if we lose the 20 EMA, watch the 55. We'll likely come straight down to the 55 as our next support, which lines up with the target of this rising wedge. And that is exactly what happened. As you can see, we have some support at this level. We came right down to 0.042, and that is currently where we're holding support. And we're seeing some little bit of reversal candles. Yesterday, we had what's called a bottoming tail. So we may see a little bit of bounce in the short term, but I do think it's likely we see continuation. We see continuation to the downside. All right, gang. So that's what I'm looking at for the price of Gala Games. Do look for a push up into this yellow box in between 0.045 and 0.049 in a wave 4 before seeing continuation down, in my opinion. Gala has crossed the 50 line with the money flow with our divergence here, as well as the RSI has crossed the 50 line. So that gives you a higher likelihood that these levels will come back down to oversold, as I mentioned in previous videos, and then you will eventually see continuation down. I think Gala will at least come down to the 3-cent range in a wave 2 before seeing continuation to the upside. I think that's best case scenario, and worst case scenario is the bear market bottom is not in, we come down and we create a lower low, as we never invalidated the potential of this being an ending diagonal, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, coming down the final wave 5. We never broke that wave 2 high at 0.070, so that's still on the table. Make sure to sign up to either Bickit or Bybit. Grab your bonuses up to 30K on Bybit, up to 8K on Bickit. Email me your sign up email. It takes 2 minutes, completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto with the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. The members like to post their profits in here. Crypto news as well, only 10 bucks a month, same price as a Netflix subscription. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.